it's doing another vlog. It's actually been a long time since I've vlogged.
On my way, honey.
So yeah, Aaron's here. It's actually a special day today because if you guys remember Nolan, it's his birthday, 21st
Happy birthday, baby!
Yeah. Happy birthday, Nolan. If you're watching this.
If you're watching this, he doesn't watch our videos.
Yeah.
He thinks
No one does. But yeah, it's Nolan's birthday today, so we're gonna be doing some fun stuff. I thought I'd record it. I'm sure he might watch this if he still watches my videos.
The machine is always broken, so if we get there and the machine's broken, I'm not even gonna try to fix it. We're just gonna walk out and dab.
Alright. Sounds good to me.
Sounds good.
Any situation we get to dab, that just makes it so much better.
Okay.
Yeah. You're like, oh, grandma just died? Dab. You're like, yay.
What's that? You lost your house? Dab.
Dab. You're homeless and your kids hate you and your wife divorced you.
Lost your job.
Oh man, dabbing is great.
This truck looks like he's gonna run me over.
Alright, what's going on, Claw fam? We got the whole Claw squad out. It's actually Nolan's birthday, 21st birthday. So we're gonna celebrate with some games as usual.
Have some drinks.
Oh yeah, he's loaded. Yeah, he's loaded on alcohol. This is the best time to use them right now, when he's like sober. So yeah, let's go. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, wait, no, she did. Oh, or Nolan did.
No one uses balls on this.
We got Nolan, Aaron, Asian boat driver. Alright, ready? Oh, there you go.
I know it. I can time it perfectly.
Okay. Nice.
Oh my God.
Nice.
What are we odds? Alright, I got it.
Oh, so now what do you do?
It's so stupid. I want to see the other one over. There's 2 credits on here for some reason. There you go. That's why I screwed up last time. Perfect. You want to hit it at the 30. That's where you want to hit it. See how it rigs you?
Oh, that 30?
You're doing it, so. There you go. You want to hit it at about 30. It rigs you. It's so stupid. Gosh, you got lucky. Try hitting it at 100. I don't think it'll make a difference though.
Oh.
See, it's rigged.
Dang it, fine. I'm just gonna keep going until I either get 20.
Nice.
See it.
You won't get it. Watch, ready?
Oh,
does that every time.
Really?
Yeah, see how it doesn't close all the way? Go for the donut over there.
Dang it, Grandpa. Oh, I think that's a rig.
Really?
I'm pretty good. I usually don't hit it. What the heck?
Can you make yours where you can win it all, get it almost every time?
Yeah, you can.
Really?
Okay,
it's like so rigged.
Okay, I'm gonna aim for yellow because apparently
There it goes.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Let's see what it grabs. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're going to be playing Push Start. Is that just Pac-Man Swirl? It doesn't even have like a name, does it? It's either called Push Start, but I'm pretty sure that's for the button.
Pac-Man Swirl, that's what it's called.
Alright. So I'm not sure how you work
We have
this.
2 credits.
Ooh. So yeah, take this. So I'm assuming you have to try to get it there.
You have to try to get it in the ones on the outside.
I don't know how to time it though. Oh, I wasn't even looking.
That was a fast 3.
Okay, so like...
See, there are those things right there to stop it.
Oh, that's hard.
It's like almost impossible.
I don't get how you can do that. Okay, so I'm way off. It's going so fast, like...
Try to drop it right. You can't really time it, you're right.
Oh.
Yeah, there's no way to time it.
Nice, just hit the jackpot on tipping blocks. 1,000 tickets. Alright, what's going on, Claw fam? It is the end of the day. I didn't get a lot of vlog footage.
Wonder why.
But yeah, there's a lot of weird stuff went down. I won't go into it too much because
We're scared Dave & Buster's gonna sue.
Yeah, okay, Dave & Buster's might sue us. Long story long, Dave & Buster's is gonna sue us. Anyways, yeah, it was pretty fun. Hopefully Nolan had a good birthday if you're watching this, buddy. Happy birthday again.
Thanks, buddy.
And yeah, I think actually you guys are hanging out on the weekend, right? So we'll probably, you guys are coming
We're hanging
over.
out this weekend.
Yeah, so we might vlog a little. It's been a while since I vlogged, so trying to pick it up. School is busy and all that other stuff that doesn't matter. Yeah, and then yeah, that's it. Should we end with like one final dab?
Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy fruit salad. Let's make some fruit salad today.
Alright guys, hopefully you liked this week's vlog. It wasn't much, I had to kind of throw something up. So hopefully it wasn't too much of a disappointment, kind of like my birth.
Will, what about the end of that?
The end was lit though.
The end
that was savage. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below on what our next vlog should be about. It could be anything, as long as it's somewhat PG-13, but I might even accept some
R-rated. Go to Taco Bell and make another video about a huge...
Oh yeah, no, that was not Taco Bell, but it should have been. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what vlog you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.